Okay, fine. So I can see most of you are back, so we can start now. Okay, so we will continue on our discussion. We completed this 3 setup. Okay. Next we have Git desktop. Okay. So Git desktop, I think we can do it later on. Okay. Git desktop, like I need to explain things which we will cover at the time of project. Now coming to next part, that is, so when we will start working on project, at that time I will explain how to use Git desktop. At that time only we will do it. Next, coming to Postman tool. So this Postman tool we will use for unit testing purpose. Okay. So to download this, simply you need to go to browser and select here Postman. Okay. So once you will click on this download, it will start downloading this software. Okay. I have already this software downloaded. So I will pause it. Okay. So this software, once you will download this, so you will get similar to this one. Okay. So once you will complete that download, you will get this software. So you need to double click on this. So this will be your setup file. Everyone go on mute if you're not speaking. So once you will download this software, okay, and once you will click on that particular software, then it will come like this. Okay, you will get this empty workspace. Okay, so you just need to open this, and the rest of the task, how we will use this software and all, I will explain while working on projects. You at this moment you just need to install this. Okay? And this one is very straightforward. Now, Maven. Okay, so for Maven also, like Endpoint Studio contains inbuilt Maven. Okay, even if you will not do this two setup, so JDK definitely, like there should be JDK installed in your laptop. Okay, and Maven one, like we have by default Maven in Studio. If you don't want to do all this setup, these two setup, your Studio will work perfectly. There will not be any issue. But many times you need to do installation of this also if any of these two doesn't exist. Okay, so I will tell you steps. It's Maven setup and JDK setup. For Maven setup, first you need to download Maven file. So here you can see we have multiple files. So generally I used to download source zip. Okay. So download this source zip file. Okay. So again, you need to click on this. Download will start, and I have already downloaded. So here you will able to see zip file for Maven. So this one, Apache Maven 3.8.4. So I downloaded 3.8.4. You can download latest one. Okay, that should be fine. So once you will click on this download one, it will ask, okay, this one is 3.9. By default, it's giving you latest only. But mine one is 3.8.4. So both will be same only. So once you will download this zip file, you will get zip file like this. You need to extract it again. Okay, once you will extract it, so you will get like this. Okay, open this, and then here you will get one Apache Maven file. So what you need to do, copy this file, and go to C drive. In C drive, go to program files and paste it here. Okay, so I already pasted, so you can see here. So you just need to copy that file and you need to paste it here. Okay, so after pasting this, go inside this, and copy this path. Once you will paste this, copy this path and go to here, search for advanced system setting. Okay, so here in, okay, this advanced system setting, one pop-up will come. You need to go to environment variable. Here you can see I created M2 home and Maven home. Okay, and like many commands, they are using this M2 home, and many times they are using Maven home. So to be in safe hand, I created both. Okay, so when you will search for internet command and all, sometime you will get M2 home with M2 home, sometime you will get for Maven. I created both, and how you will create this? Click on new and type here Maven underscore home path. Sorry, paste it this path except bin. Okay, click on OK. So this will create Maven home. I already created. I am not clicking on OK. Same I did for M2 home also. Okay, once you will do this, then you need to go to path. Okay, and click on edit. And here you need to click on new. Okay, once you will click on new, then you need to paste the path including bean. So you can see here this complete path including bean, you need to paste it here. Okay, and click on OK. Okay. Once you will complete this, click on OK, and then again. So you are done with this Maven setup in your local. Next, we have Java setup. This Maven and Java setup is optional. If you want, you can do. If you don't want, you can use default one. For Java also, you need to download it first. Okay. For Java download, like they will ask you to again create Oracle account, Oracle platform account. So I think I have already. So let me see. So once you will click on this, version 8 update 365 file size this. And let me click on download Java. Java setup. Okay. So once you will download this, you will able to see this kind of file. JDK 8U 3.0 Windows. Let me quickly check. I think I'm downloading correct one only. Previously, there was different look and feel, but I think they have changed. Query you can ask here instead of pinging me on WhatsApp. This one. So you can go here, and then here you can download 64-bit installer. Yeah, you can download this one. This one is JDK 19. Okay, so you can take latest one also. I am using JDK 8. So let me try to search JDK 8. Here you can go. So I downloaded this one. Okay, so this one is correct one. I downloaded from here only. Windows 64. So I downloaded this one. So after download, you will get this file. Okay, and then once you will get this file, you need to double click on this. Click on yes, and 2-3 times you need to keep clicking on yes, yes, yes. Okay, so it will start installation. In my system, it's already there, so it's not allowing me to download. But in your case, it will ask you 3-4 times yes, like you will get option yes or no. So you need to keep clicking yes, yes. Okay, automatically it will do all the installation. And once you will get installation completed, then if you go in program file, you will able to see Java here, Java folder. So you need to go inside this folder, then JDK folder, and then Beam folder, and copy this folder. Let me add this URL. Copy this path. Again, go to advanced configuration, advanced setting. Environment variable. Here, again, you can see here. First, I created Java home. Click on new, give name as a Java home, and paste the path except bean. Okay, remove bean from that path. Okay, and then go to this path, and here create new and paste that including bean. Okay, if you see here, then this one is including bean. You need to create this. Click on OK. Click on OK, and then OK. So in this way, your Java setup will also be done. Okay, so you need to do Maven setup and Java setup. These two will be optional. Okay, if you want, you can do. If you don't want, you can leave it for now. Okay, next we have Salesforce account. Okay, so for today, I will not take too much thing. Otherwise, like initial 1-2 class, I will take a little bit less only. So better we can end for today. And tomorrow we will work on this Salesforce and this database and Jira. 8, 9, 10. 11, 12 will be part of Jira only. So we will complete from 8 to 12. Fourth one, we will do later on once we will start working on project. Till this point, if anyone has any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, we are good to close this session. And this entire software list I will share in our WhatsApp group also. And once you will have Git access, you will get in Git also. Now we are open for 5-minute question answer session. If anyone has any question in your mind, you can ask.
Ravi, can you download it today? I mean, this video. Sorry, upload.
Okay, what is time right now? Okay, let me do it now. 30 minutes you will get. I will upload in group.
Yeah, thank you.
Ravi, do we have to do the JDK setting again if we have already, set up, like installed and done? Do we have to just set up the way how you do it, or it's just okay to be by default?
If you have already set up, just check it everything, how I checked everything. So you also need to check everything is there on. So first check program file and see. So you need to check first this program file you have inside program, you have Java, JDK and bin folder or not. If it is there, then go to advanced setting. Check here inside environment variable, you have Java home and you inside path, you have Java path or not. You just need to verify. And after that, if you want to double check everything is done properly, so you can go to command prompt and type Java minus version. If all the setup is done properly, you will get this Java version. If setup is not done properly, you will get error. Same we can do for VM. Okay, this one. MVN minus V. So it will give you Maven version. If it is installed properly, then only you will get this version. So that means my Maven is also correctly installed. My Java is also correctly installed.
Ravi, first we need to create the Git account. After that only we need to accept your mail.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I will give Git access. It will take some time, like 3-4 days it will take. Meanwhile, complete your Git account.
Okay.
Ravi, I have query. Actually, I'm using the company's laptop. When I was changed that environment setup, environment variables, the Java pathin and Maven pathin. Actually, I'm getting the error regarding of Maven thing when I was deploying the project in the Anypan Studio.
That things will come very late now. Once we will do all those things now. Actually, if you are asking question, maybe other people will get confused. But you are saying you did Java setup, correct?
Yeah, actually, I didn't do any Java setup. Actually, based in previous class, you just explained like in the Anypan Studio, the Java package will be included.
Yes.
As of now, that was working fine. Recently, when I was doing the assignments, in one assignment, I just do some changes and I just deployed that. That not get deployed and it was throwing the Maven error. Should I need to install that Maven software what you shown right now in my system. If I install that too, is there any permissions needed from my administrator, because I am using company's one now?
So I will suggest not to go with Maven setup. Inbuild will be enough to handle your task. Maybe you are doing some other mistake. Okay, so you can join tomorrow doubt session and you can share me what problem you are getting.
Yeah, sure, Ravi. Thank you.
Ravi, I want to know like DataWeave concepts, like how extensively are we going to use in this project? DataWeave concepts.
So DataWeave like itself is a kind of like you can say programming language or scripting language. Okay. So if I will like go in detail of that concept, okay, then it will take around 1 month. So here in this project, I will give you like detail what means I will give you understanding for this project level only. Okay. Now, if you want to get in-depth knowledge of this DataWeave, then I am sending you one playlist. Okay. Even that when I will give you Git access, there also you will have that playlist link. So what you need to do whenever you have free time,
Sure.
just to go to this DataWeave playlist. Okay. Let me show you. So here we have almost 12 video, okay, which will help you to build like in-depth like concept in DataWeave. So we have taken multiple use case and multiple examples. Okay, so here we have 12 video based on DataWeave. Okay, so whenever you have free time, just go through this video and try to make your like in-depth concept in DataWeave.
Yeah. Yes, Ravi. Sure. Thank you.
Ravi, in these videos, the input payload you are explaining, right? That payload is not. How can we get that payload?
Okay, that one actually like I haven't maintained that PPT. Actually, I had some other plan. Like, I was planning to create one website for DataWeave learning. But due to lack of time, I haven't created, and document-wise, I think I have only few. You can type it by yourself now. Like while watching video, you can type by yourself.
No, the payload was very big, you know. Gas almost 20-30
Okay,
lines.
I will try to search few document I should have, but I don't have all. Like I had some plan to create one website, but didn't get a chance. I have for few video like 8, 9, 10, 11. And this one I have, I will share in group only. Yeah, fine. Whatever I have, I will share, but I don't have all. Okay, fine then. Thanks everyone. Let's connect in next class. Tomorrow, same time. Yeah, we will have class on same time.